Hello crystal lovers, today I want to share with you this beautiful confidence grid. This grid includes a central citrine crystal surrounded by 5 clear quartz points. Citrine and clear quartz are helpful for boosting confidence and energy. This beautiful grid is 15% off. It comes with instructions, how to set up your grid, the purpose of your grid. It's really pretty. And I would like to show you a little bit how to set up your grid. Also remember that we have ebooks, then we'll tell you about your grid and how to prepare your grid. We also have more information on our website. So don't feel like you are alone. Here is the citrine right in the middle, and we will set up the points. Remember, always pointing out. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Once you choose an area that is unlikely to be disturbed, set up your grid, and we proceed to activate your grid. Always remember, while activating your grid, concentrate and hold the intention in your mind. So we go from the center to the point, connect, 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 center. And I hope you like this video.